Welcome back, spice enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a flavorful journey, diving deep into the surprising and potent health powers of cinnamon. Prepare to be amazed. Cinnamon, a spice you almost certainly have nestled in your kitchen spice rack right now, ready to add warmth to your favorite dishes. Beyond its undeniably delicious and comforting flavor, cinnamon has been prized and revered for centuries, not just as a culinary delight, but also for its remarkable medicinal properties. We'll break down the top science-backed benefits that this incredible spice has to offer, from its potential to support healthy blood sugar levels to its fascinating effects on brain health and cognitive function, and show you exactly how incorporating this ancient spice into your daily routine can significantly boost your overall well-being. Get ready to discover why cinnamon is so much more than just a tasty addition, a simple sprinkle to your morning coffee or your comforting bowl of oatmeal. Let's jump right in and unlock the secrets of cinnamon. First up, cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. In fact, cinnamon outshines many superfoods like garlic and oregano in antioxidant activity, helping to reduce oxidative stress and support your body's natural repair systems. This means a sprinkle of cinnamon can help strengthen your immune system, keep your skin healthy, and lower your risk of chronic diseases. It's a simple, delicious way to boost your body's defenses. One of cinnamon's most impressive benefits, and there are many, is its remarkable ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, contributing to overall metabolic health. Studies show that cinnamon can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. It can also slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system, leading to much steadier and more balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. This is particularly helpful for individuals who are dealing with insulin resistance, a common precursor to more serious conditions, or those who have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, as it can aid in managing their condition. But the benefits extend beyond those with specific health concerns. Anyone can benefit from experiencing more stable and sustained energy levels throughout the day, avoiding those energy crashes. Even incorporating just half a teaspoon of cinnamon into your daily routine may contribute to lowering fasting blood sugar levels and promoting better glucose control, and improve your long-term blood sugar control, leading to better overall health outcomes. It's important to remember that cinnamon is not a substitute for prescribed medication, but rather a valuable and flavorful addition to a well-rounded and healthy lifestyle. Consistency is absolutely key to reaping the full benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon, beyond its delightful flavor, may also support weight management. It's a spice that offers more than just a pleasant taste. One of the ways it achieves this is by boosting metabolism, helping your body process energy more efficiently. Cinnamon can also play a role in curbing cravings, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals and avoid unnecessary snacking. Its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, is a key player in these beneficial effects. This compound can encourage fat cells to burn more energy, potentially contributing to weight loss efforts. Furthermore, its blood sugar stabilizing effects are particularly valuable. These effects help prevent energy crashes and those intense sugar cravings that can derail your diet. Plus, cinnamon adds a delightful natural sweetness to foods, enhancing their flavor profile. And the best part? It does all this without adding extra calories to your meals. This makes it easier to cut back on sugar and reduce your overall calorie intake. A simple way to incorporate cinnamon is to swap sugar for it in your coffee, or sprinkle it generously on your morning oatmeal. This provides a flavorful, calorie-saving boost to your day. While it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet solution, cinnamon is a smart and delicious ally to incorporate into a balanced and sustainable weight management plan. Cinnamon can also be a heart helper. Research suggests it may lower total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while possibly raising HDL, good cholesterol. Its antioxidants protect blood vessels, and some studies even hint at blood pressure benefits. While more research is needed, adding cinnamon to a heart-healthy diet is a simple way to support cardiovascular wellness. Always talk to your doctor before making big dietary changes. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, but cinnamon's compounds have shown strong anti-inflammatory effects in studies. By dialing down inflammation, cinnamon may help protect your tissues and organs over time. It's a tasty addition to an anti-inflammatory diet rich in whole foods and healthy fats. That sprinkle of cinnamon could be quietly supporting your long-term health. Cinnamon's antimicrobial powers are impressive. It can help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi thanks to cinnamaldehyde. Historically, it was used to preserve food, and modern research shows cinnamon oil can inhibit harmful microbes. While it's not a cure, adding cinnamon to your diet may help support your immune system and gut health. Think of it as a flavorful way to help your body's natural defenses. Exciting new research suggests cinnamon might even benefit your brain. It may help the brain use glucose more efficiently and protect neurons from damage, potentially supporting memory and learning. Early studies hint at benefits for conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, though more research is needed. It's another reason to enjoy cinnamon as part of a brain-healthy lifestyle. So cinnamon isn't just a spice, it's a powerhouse for your health, from antioxidants and blood sugar support, to heart, immune, and brain benefits. Try adding a teaspoon to your oatmeal, coffee, or favorite recipes. If you have health conditions or take medication, check with your doctor before making changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your favorite ways to use cinnamon in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and take care.